Hello friends, welcome once again to Rising Sun Online Math class. If your first time to watch my video, kindly hit on the red button to subscribe on my channel so that it will give you a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Today we want to solve for x under indices. We have x, you say that solve for x if x is equals to 9 root 9x raised to the power of half. You write solution first. Solution. You now repeat the question. You have x equals to 9 root 9x raised to the power of half, which is 1 over 2. And we are asked to find x. And if you look at the question, find out that x is here and also x is here. And we are asked to find a single word, x. So what you need to do now is, looking at the question, find out that here also root. You squared both sides. So squared both sides. If you square both sides, so that you can be able to eliminate this squared here. Squaring both sides, have x squared equals to 9 root 9x raised to the power of half, all squared. So here now will be x squared equals to this squared here. We affect this 9. Here now will be 9 squared times this square. We cancel this square, leaving 9x raised to the power of half. So in this case again, you have x squared equals to 9 squared times 9 raised to the power of 1 times x raised to the power of 2. So take this x raised to the power of 2 to divide this x squared. You have x squared over x raised to the power of half equals to 9 raised to the power of 2 times 9 raised to the power of 1, because 9, any number raised to the power of 1 is that number. So the next thing you need to do now is, since here I have to do with indices, numbers with power. When we talk about indices, we talk about numbers with powers. And we have x squared divided by x raised to the power of 1 over 2 equals to 9 raised to the power of 2 times 9 raised to the power of what? 1. You now recall back on rules and laws of indices. So in rules and laws of indices, under division of numbers of the same base, or according to the division of numbers of the same base, which say that, or which can be simplified by taking one of the base and subtracting their powers. That will say that here will be x squared, taking one of the base and subtracting their powers will be x squared minus half. X squared minus half equals to, here is 9 raised to the power of 2 times 9 raised to the power of 1. Also, according to the rules and laws of indices, under the product of numbers of the same base, which can be simplified by taking one of the base and summing their powers or adding their powers. Here now is 9 raised to the power of 2 times 9 raised to the power of 1. That will say that here now will be 9 raised to the power of 2 plus 1. You take one of the base and add their powers. Here is 9 raised to the power of 2. You take this 2 plus 1. Here now will be equals to x squared. If you balance this in as a total fraction, which is 2 over 1 minus 1 over 2, equals to 9 raised to the power of 2 plus 1. The LCM of 1 and 2 here will give us 2. If this one divided by 2, we have 2. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, equals to 9 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3. So x is 4 minus 1 gives us 3 over 2, equals to 9 raised to the power of what? 3. Now, looking at this, we are asked to find only x. No addition, no subtraction, only x. And here we have x raised to the power of 3 over 2. So we think of what to do so that we can be able to eliminate something to have x as subject of the formula. So here, and remember in mathematics, whatever you do at the left-hand side, if you do it at the right-hand side, is correct. Here, for us to eliminate 3 over 2, we need to multiply this 3 over 2 by 2 over 3. You said multiplied by 2 over 3. So our x raised to the power of 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 is equal to 9 raised to the power of 3 times 2 over 3. So here, 3 will cancel 3, 2 will cancel 2, leaving us as x equals to, and the 3 will cancel 3 here, leaving with 9 raised to the power of what? 2. And 9 raised to the power of 2 is equals to what? 81. That is say that x is equals to 81. Thank you for viewing. And may the peace of the Lord, who passes human understanding, be with you all forever and ever. Amen. Happy New Year to you all, my people. And may God bless you. See you again.